Jamaica Croc Addict. Welcome back to Nigel Yeman TV YouTube channel. We out here without fear. People, right now, I'm in the wild west. So today, people, we are going to do some cooking in our bush here today. Today, me link up with Wildlife Family TV. We are going to do some roast chicken on the open fire. We are going to try on some fish in some crocodile zone. Right now, the wildlife them down in the spot, so me go down there, go check them out and me gonna see what I go on. Look now, man, in a wild bush with them people. Not even one house not around here, so they walk up. Then catch a fish. Then catch a fish. Then catch one. Then catch one. Then bring up the fire. Then catch one. Then catch one, dude. Then catch one.
I'm not tell you, man.
Look at that.
I'm not tell you, man. Put on fast, man. Believe them, man.
Oh, man.
Nice.
Right out there, crocodile water, people. Some baby crocodile over there, so. So, yo. What they are wild. Oh, it come on, fight. In swim way.
We have a one already, man.
Let me see one more time there. Bomba, that's a fisherman.
That's a fisherman.
Look at that.
I lick and the biggest one, big one get to like a little one this.
A little one that. Look at that up there, so. So we out here, people, that are going and what are going. See bait them, yeah, but we are use, catch it up on them. Then catch them bait earlier. You see me?
Yeah, man.
One wildlife.
You know, while you spoil, man, so we forward and do it less than 15 minutes.
Yeah, man.
Best believe.
One Dukes, one 90s.
Believe.
And we have the wildest man from the team down here, so go check him out. I set up a fire car. I tell them say we are do some roast chicken on the open fire. The real bush style. So we're gonna see where General I deal with. See General, yeah.
Yeah, man, believe no, man. If in a while, you spoil. And to the peeps, like Nigel said to you earlier, we do some roast chicken pan opening fire with some, well, bush roti. You see me? Season up with some wild sauce and them things. You see me? So stay tuned to you about this, man. We all like get some top and pan the side too, you know. You know, see it in a bad action, you know. Stay tuned, man. Enough talking, no good enough people. Action we are dealing with.
Yeah. So right now.
Fire we are get started up.
Yeah.
You see me? One reason with Nigel until the fire go on done.
Yeah, man. So fire go set up right here now. So we can start on the chicken for go and roast pan the fire. You see me? Meanwhile 90s and Dukes up there so I go and get some top and in the crocodile water. You know, see the crocodile them earlier, you know? You know, watch the process, man. Believe and never forget. Banging. Alright, peeps, so it's 3 crocodiles. Them right over there. Something I'm gonna put one arrow so you can see them, but see them there? 3 of them. Yeah. Look at it, we're back at it.
Like a crack addict.
In the wild with the peeps. If you don't believe, ask God, watch it. Right here now, fire catch up right here, so. The leaves. Real bush way.
Yes, I.
Be a little fish, me fish them in the water and the top and them. I fly up and I jump up. Man, them up there, so I go and catch them. So now go and watch the process. We're out here without fear. So if I catch and blazing, peeps, look how I go on fire side hot. Believe. So you gotta look about the chicken, you know.
See me can get some ice
Out of it.
out of it, you see me?
If you melt it away.
Get it out and something. Okay, you don't know when the ice day night if you go over the fire, remember slow roast you over the fire. And
We're slow roast it.
yeah, you know you look done. Then when you start cut down in it, a beer and meat.
Yeah.
You see me? Before so we cook top and alone. You see me? So just go and stay tuned, peeps.
Believe. Where's the Dukes?
Yeah, me there wait pan in, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One thing. As the boat land, some already.
Alright.
That is it, man.
90s up here, so I catch it. Catch off the top on them in a crocodile water in the peeps. We did see mother crocodile earlier. The baby one then they cross over there, so. But look and see what's going. We are see if we can catch one of the baby one them for showing up on camera. Bombard him just run off right there, so. We don't see them still. 90s there, so I catch it. Catch out the top on them. Where you say you're going with?
Yeah, I'm going south. I'm going with though.
Yes, no man.
As a fisherman.
As a fisherman. See, bait them, man.
So me I go and get it clean up, you know, you see me? So me have to bust down in it. We stitch it up back, you see me?
Stitch it up back.
Yeah, me want to sit down in it. Cause you see all them parts, you know?
Have it clean.
I have to get rid of them parts, brother.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yes, no man. As a chef, man.
As a chef.
As a wild chef.
Believe man, I tell you, life in a while you spoil, you know?
That is it.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps. So where am I going with you now? My bore it up. So why you bore it up? Give me an explanation. Eh?
The wild sauce soak down in
The
it.
wild sauce? What
Yeah.
you mean wild sauce?
Wild sauce, man.
Where wild sauce there?
See wild sauce.
Wildlife invention.
Where we see wild sauce?
And wildlife invention.
Boy.
Let me tell you why night. I could give you a look like ingredients. Secret in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a secret.
You know what
Secret.
make crab, you
We
know what
go
make
in
it crabby
India.
patty?
Crab patty. No, no.
You know that I think.
So when
That
you
I think.
bore it up, you know the seasoning got through the flesh.
Sit down in a bone, in a meat itself, you know.
Yeah.
In a bone. You
Cha,
see me?
cha.
Yeah, peeps. I mean, I tell you, wild sauce, no play when you touch things.
Where you say no play?
You know, play. Just
Alright.
stay tuned, man. Nigel gonna tell you.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir. Yeah, man. Like that. Soak in.
Soap, eel.
Like seasoning.
The wild sauce are go on. But
See, I don't know your regular running sauce and all them things there.
yeah.
Yeah, man. These are the wild sauce.
Wild west
Yeah, man.
sauce.
Believe me when me tell you, man. So you see with this now, you don't just rub it like this. After you caress this, caress pan with it. Yeah. You see me?
Oh. Right here.
Yeah, is it.
Yeah,
So
man.
you see all I mark them we been make now. Look. See it? Seasoning gone down in a them. You see me? So you know what crazy something, man.
Cha,
Just
cha.
want to stay tuned, man.
Can't wait for taste that in there,
And
man.
then shirt you put
What
it.
do you mean if you have to
What is
look
it?
around?
And then shirt. Me a wait
Crazy
for
something,
you,
man.
What's that, man?
Lift up all in blouse. Someone
is
tuck
it.
down in there, so. That is it, peeps.
So we are going to see if we can go and catch some fish meanwhile. 90s there, so same way. Catch one top and early, a few of them get away. But I don't know, see I say fishing go. We catch some and we lose some. We just see crocodile a while ago swim gone over the other side. Duke say I go swim go across, so we go see. Me can't do it, you know, because you have a driver. Forgot hospital if anything. You see it?
Yeah,
I said Dukes. Yeah, you have.
Which hospital? The hospital there.
Yeah, no hospital not that close by.
Anything in this hospital.
In there, so,
You
yeah.
just go in there, go lie down.
Just people, we out in a while with no fear. And crocodile nearby. Babes, look what I go and see. First stop and you will catch the first silver king. Silver king we call it, you know. You know why we call it silver king? Because I'm well silver and have on a whole heap of silver scale. Look at it. Him can get way bigger than this, peeps. Look at him. Big up 90s as 90s land him catch him. Yeah. In the up there, so. Right here now, peeps, we are look some more stick to roast the chicken. Where you see I going with your stomach, G?
Yeah, so I cut them and now to make them like a grill. So chicken can open up and get a proper roast inside, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Because we are going to roast it a different way. So now I go see what it do, but we are look the stick them to make the grill. Right, you see that the big chopper way, man, of peeps?
It's a wildlife knife, you know?
Yeah.
The hunter's permit, man.
Yes, no, man.
This a loan permit if you be hunter.
That is it. The right here, so. I go try walk right here, so. And go cross to down there, so with the crocodile them there. For say I can get a close up, so I can see them. Alright? So I want to stay tuned and watch the process. 90s see crocodile. Every time I come up here, I say crocodile.
I think she bought him out and help me out, you know.
Eh?
Like I want to say, don't come close.
I know star peeps.
Look, I'm going to come back there again.
I'm gonna come back out.
I hear him from it.
Alright peeps, so we're gonna there to see him again, alright? So I can show you. Peeps, we are checking for the chicken, we are going for the chicken. Look then man. Fire blazing.
Give me one fire.
How are the 90s? 90s are below all fire people. What are you do with fire 90s?
I roast it up on, man.
90s are gonna roast it up and watch ya now. So we have chicken and tarpan. I got to show you now. We follow 90s. This way 90s are going with over here stuff. But tarpan and roast. See tarpan here right so peeps?
Man, I got roast him up, you know.
Yeah, roast up the tarpan. So we have tarpan and we have fish. We have
Tarpan and chicken.
Tarpan and chicken people. Two of you.
We have knife.
And we have knife. I told me hungry and I talk foolishness in the people. Watch out. We are smoky chicken. We are jerk it. Believe it.
Everything we do to it one time.
Everything one time.
Yeah, man, believe it, man.
I'll smoke, I get it. And if a crocodile I go on, none. Probably I smell it. 90s them see him up me mouth up there one night time. I smell it 90s.
Look, so.
Just.
Really that still I want him, I want with.
One we.
Yeah, don't come near and pick me then.
Yeah. No think we can jump off in the water like where we are jump off in and catch fish. Crocodile catch we instead.
Our world still.
Our world still.
Them pay if you live in it.
Oh, them a pay them dues.
Them pay them dues amount 10 times.
Believe it.
Yeah. Right now, today I collect, we can collect. That's why I run up and down.
Oh. In war.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know when people who know and they see the person with them borrow money from, you know, be a runnings, you know, and hiding.
Alone here for
Oh, give it this.
Yeah. So every time we come for them and give it, so we don't have to trouble him, and give it what we want.
Alright, believe. Dukes, you alright?
No.
Want you?
Yeah, we for the chicken.
Because you look hungry, Dukes,
I
man.
want a leg quarter, you know my peeps. Decent with a piece of wildlife roti. Go on, watch what I go on now.
Yes, no, man. I see roti pan here, you know, people. This way I roti them pan. You see me?
that we have rotate them.
That way I rotate them pan. Alright, believe. Oh, this is a top pan where we catching them peeps. I'm going to roast him, you know. See you put...
Time have to cook, man.
Yeah. See you put some big side slice in him.
Yeah, you see me?
For your seasons.
Some dance in there.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Season sit down right.
Well, sauce a dance, you know. That is it.
Believe.
A good look.
Yes, no, man. And this is season up the fish. Yeah, man. Wash off the tail there.
Yeah.
We have put on the wild sauce on it.
Wild sauce. Back to work with the
Wild sauce. That is it.
Put some inside too. Don't know.
Make sure say season up this time and not fresh, you know. Cause you have a man who season up fish what day, yeah. Peeps, me not call no name still no. But
a Dukes, man. We not call the name now.
When I see me in the camera doing no peeps.
That's why me observe now. Me watch what go on.
Yeah.
Me no star. Me observe.
You see man when sit down and observe.
Yeah.
Him use the all purpose. But him not put none of purpose in it. But look how 90s season up fish, peeps. The 90s I teach him.
No, but me don't want to season my piece still no. Me don't want to well season.
Yeah, he want it fresh.
Prefer that seasoning, you know.
Him pressure high.
No, pressure not high. But we don't want to get there.
Yeah.
So we know what we do? Tread light with it. From early.
A Rasta man enough peeps. Him not eat too much salt. So when them done season up, them are going to some file paper and them are come right here. So we go look how I go on with the chicken. Come in. The chicken chef over here, so. Where you see I go on?
Process.
Trust the process.
So go on work.
You see what I go on. Look what I go on. That is it. Yeah, man. chicken
right
and
and
roast.
vibes right.
Where's it?
Fire right and vibes right. Just hope the chicken tastes alright.
Alright.
Fire right and vibes right. I hope if the chicken done
That's the 90s are going with us, so you wrap them up.
Yeah.
Talk when we catch early, you know, people. Catch and cook.
Said speed.
People, me believe in, you know, catch what you eat what you catch. But I know everything me catch, me I go eat. Yeah.
Not that bad.
Yeah. But still catch what you eat what you catch. But if we catch a crocodile, we will let him go right back. Because we not going to eat him.
Awesome, we not name that.
Yeah.
We are going to treat him fairly.
Alright, believe. Let him go, make him go live. 90s I go drop them on.
Chop on it, tap on. Don't know. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Believe.
Watching a man.
I left them to go and simmer down, you know.
Yeah, I'm not going to roast. Steam. 90s the chef. Fisher chef. Believe it. So where you going with you now?
No, so I'll look a fork and I'll try whip up the door.
Make a fork. Roti boss this. Yeah, do you make a fork too?
Yeah, I make a fork, man, because chicken have to have well. You see me when I run a joke with the chicken today.
Alright. That is it. I don't know, say top on them over here, so still a roast same way. Look what I go on, man. Top on meat, and this is it.
Right now they are whip up the wild sauce. You see me? So the farmer wild sauce, ya peeps. Brush down the chicken. You see me? Today when I go use and brush down the chicken, I pre use some regular bush and them thing there. And I say, I come here have this. This me I go use same time and scale and like cut it away and hold it like brush and you go see purpose. Just stay tuned, man, peeps.
Yeah, the chicken there, so same way I go and do the thing in a peeps.
That is it.
Look at it. Alright, you know, I'm going to do the taster, people. Watch out, me a tester. Watch out, nothing now go see when me a test it.
No cut pepper no go in there, just wild sauce alone.
Just the white bombard.
Just wild sauce alone.
Yo, the paper. Yo, me a taste the paper tonight.
That is it.
Yo! Yo, give me a little bit more white. Peeps. Look
That
at
is
it.
See if we all
there?
drop in a pot now and get it a warm up.
Yeah.
Catch a warm. Crazy something, but we don't need to do that because we don't have brush up on that already or something. You see me? That is it.
Look at it.
So you're rich.
Richness. Okay, man. Bombard. I can taste the whole life season tonight.
That is it.
The wild season.
Nigel, right now, I tell you. So with the sauce, yeah, with the other sauce pan it, only open up water.
Box cover.
I can tell you.
A lion, big jug up in there.
Oh,
Turn your head. Can't done it.
Man.
Wait, man.
peeps, me I tell you.
Richness. Look
No,
for the
no,
color.
normal peeps. You see beautiful, bro?
Mm-hmm.
No, normal, man.
Beautiful.
Rich in flavor, rich in taste. That is it.
Like top and ready. 90s, take off it.
Yeah, look there, people.
Look then, man.
Want to taste it too?
Peppery. You see where I'm going?
Cook well good, people.
We say cook well good
Yeah, man.
as a fisherman.
One them come out well easy.
We run the island I do. It's try surface stuff.
Duke says the same and make the road to them. Send the people.
Soon time for them go up on the surface, man.
Soon time. You have the sauce right there, so chicken sauce. Chicken are going to roast. Look, it look beautiful. And Duke's over there so with the fire for your roti. That is it.
That is it.
I love where chicken color look pretty. Get piece of top on you. Got sample it before chicken done cook, you see me? 90s cook it, you know. But
I remember 90s love salt pot.
90s love salt pot.
Yeah, they probably that salt. Joke,
Look the peeps. Ja. We all hold a seed for this, you know, peeps. Can't stand up and eat this.
I hope you know if you eat top on.
First me I eat top on, you know. Although me catch top on already, you know.
Yeah, man.
Look here, hot no blow. Whoa. Take out the bone them. Watch it. Ja. Yo. May I taste something there? The wild sauce. Bombard. Yo. Wild sauce. The wild sauce.
You ready to make
Turn
it
up in it.
You ready to make it better film tuna?
Yeah.
Look like your next wild sauce.
For put
Just
pan it.
eat a one rub. Oh,
That
God.
thing
Ja.
for do, yes.
Look here.
Do it
May
film.
I go for some of my wild sauce put pan it?
I'm
Watch
just
out.
ready.
Yeah man, doing some right.
Just give me.
See wild sauce people.
Look. We just a dip some of it pan it. Shake it off. Look at that, all this 90s. Take piece more it people. Come on, eat off all that, I couldn't see now. You could have deal. Look there. Yeah? I'm going to stay tuned. I'm going to enjoy this. Till chicken ready. Believe. So peeps, we're there first we are make roti here now. Where you going for your roti then?
I'm saying give up. That don't look
Roti
like
then.
rotate.
Guys,
They might look rotation.
guys, a fried dumpling is my specialty.
Yeah.
Me don't know about roti.
They might rotate instead of rotate.
I rotate, then I rotate.
They were
They might rotate instead of rotate.
No,
Eh,
when you're done
tasty.
with them, let me take off this and put on the fried pan.
the taste of roti.
Them are more than two.
Yeah man, yo, try to make more brother.
Let's continue it then.
Yeah man, continue it man.
Them are more.
Whoa!
Alright. I won't say me I work with you and I won't work with me a second.
Babe. Yeah, roti bad.
Belly have a full man, I say you go man.
Belly have a full man. Bushcraft put on him.
Yeah man, you have to roll through it, you know. Throw in the coil and spread it, eh?
But me I gonna make a roti. This is how me make my roti, you know. Remember say me not Indian, you know, me a nigga, you know.
Alright, you are. No do what me say.
Look and see people, so me I do my own. Alright?
Guys, this watch out. Then say storage done. On your phone, Jonah.
Watch what I go on, you
You
know.
have it?
But get some my eye. Look at my door, peeps.
You see there's a ladder right over it now.
Yeah, where aisle? Watch
Yeah,
where I go
Jody.
on. Watch where I go on, peeps. Choose some aisle on it. Wet the surface with the aisle. Got it moving. Just like
Bring
that.
it
You
up
see
the
me?
more there. Yeah, give me look like it's space.
That is it. See it? Alright, peeps. Food ready and now, chicken ready and now. What you say?
Ready and waiting.
Tin. What you say, chef?
Ready?
Alright, we have a mosquito repellent right as a same way. Chicken ready over here.
How beautiful is that?
Ja. Look at that no man.
I can bush with them yard.
Yeah. Cheese them.
That is it.
That is it. Yeah.
Right now,
Yeah, we are gonna use a split.
file paper. File
File-
paper done.
File paper.
Check it.
Yeah, some file paper right there, so we're gonna
You're
use
not
as.
supposed to do them, man, and we can improvise with the rest.
Yeah, man.
I hold it back, man. And
Our
about
file
six-
paper here again.
About 6 people can eat off a piece alone.
Yeah. That's stand up over fire. Yo,
Man.
yo, when file paper going at this hot, you know. Where's it? Which part of the skin you want?
Eh? Me? It not really matter, you know. I see him feeding him.
Yeah. Watch out. Where roti them there?
Then they over there, so go on, feed roti them, no man.
Watch out, peep. Watch out.
G's and peas up.
Wrong.
Nah, man.
Now, peep.
Nice.
A leg on time, man.
Yeah, man, that well soaked and ready to go, man.
Jaja. Come here, go for your roti. Go for your roti. Watch how I go.
Cheese. Ready and waiting. No expensive dating.
Jaja. This bad. Not even 5-star restaurant not bad like this, people. You know how long
Fair
they are wait for this, peeps? And this just reach. Watch out, man. These are the best. If you want some of this, link up Wildlife Family TV. Them do it the best.
That is it.
Yeah,
You
go
say
and
sauce
enjoy
taste.
Yo, you don't have to tell me it's the secret, brother.
See some more there, you know, you can sprinkle upon it like a jerk style, you know?
We are going to do it, make them see.
That is it.
That make it versatile now, because watch
That
it.
is it.
You can eat it when you cook, and you can throw it upon it.
After.
Like a normal pepper, you see?
me?
Believe.
Yeah.
Wild sauce, man. Believe.
So, I go and enjoy this. I check in for the rest of them and see how it tastes, alright? Chef, you know, peeps. Chef, I digging a film one of them.
You should plan.
Look at it.
Play something.
Is she plan?
Look at
Oh, cameraman.
normal.
Yeah.
I go by yourself.
Let me see.
Sure.
Jaja.
How much one leg quarter road? Me can't buy this a road.
Can't buy this a road.
Yeah.
But this a man here, stick this a man here eat.
Nice.
Yo,
Imagine if a dog did in a bush.
if a dog did in a bush, a problem.
Problem when you hold them a
Yo,
stick.
we can't let stick them no car crocodile like I eat them. Yeah.
Go carry them home. But peeps, right now me I go and sample my own.
Yeah, believe what you.
Can't tell me say crocodile now circle this spot when you gone.
What?
Can't tell me say you now come for some of this.
Yeah, man, you might come for some of
Yeah,
this
man.
right away, man. I go see, bite him across the 90s. Make your people them see what I go on. Believe it.
Believe no man, it's a warrior spoil. As a fisherman.
Yes, no, man.
Look at that. And some buy chicken too.
Yeah.
And a warrior spoil, man, believe.
That is it. Food there, people. So you're out here without fear. Right on the creek. Crocodile Creek. Food I eat.
So my wild rope is that piece.
Wild roti.
I'm show them a wild leg. See wild leg, yeah?
Yeah.
That looks like my sampler for the one here.
Where is that?
Give back a sampler for this.
So what?
My sampler for him.
Take a sample.
That's my boy.
Yeah. My sample.
That's my boy. It's to die for.
You see what I want?
What's the man?
Me put you over here.
Guys. It's to die for. Want you to want this?
Yeah, but I still have mine, you know. But me, I'll take it.
Yo!
It's to die for, man, please.
What's the man?
Give me.
Yeah, man.
Boom!
Want your fish? Take me.
And the road today I see him. You see this, guys?
Yeah.
Family settings.
Family settings.
Love every time, you know.
Love
die
and
for.
That
unity.
is it, man. I love where I spread, man. Unity every time.
Guys,
Wild family.
if you know why the spoil, remember all the time.
Every time.
So I believe we are God.
Yo!
Put it there.
A bone alone left. You see me? Look at it. So you don't know, say, we can't live enough feed the crocodile. So, I know say I'm living in the water and I have 4 picnic. So I throw this to them.
That is it, man.
Yeah. Believe it.
He might come for that.
Crocodile.
Everybody I get you.
Yeah, please.
Delicious.
Believe.
That is it, man.
That is it. Big up on yourself. We're going to head out of here. I soon talk to you back again.
That is it.
So right now, peeps, we are head out of the bush right now. The rest of the man them down there so forward. So right now we are head out. Today was a beautiful day. The chicken, I give 10 out of 10 peeps. The sauce with them make, Jaja star. I have to learn how to make that sauce there. So I want to big up the wildlife family to the fullest. See them here?
That is it.
Every time.
Every time. If you know wild, spoil.
Yes, sir.
Routine are done.
And routine not done.
Still a rotate.
How are you said, Oaks?
Some drinks and our pepper hot.
Yeah. So peeps, and remember, if you don't check them out, check them out. Them link I go down in the description. Oh no! We not see that one. Yo! Peeps! Yo! We never catch that a while ago. Yo! Peeps! You not catch it. Almost catch it, peeps. Jaja star. Bolo. Big them up still. So, when you check them out, if you not check them out, you're out here without fear. Believe it. So I go and people still there enjoy the top and look there. Back at it like a crocodile. For you see wildlife, you know him been doing it. So people have to put on some mosquito repellent. Be a mosquito there out here like. So me there in a short pants, you know. See, wildlife